Hello guys, welcome to TechMix. In this video, I'll show you how you can get stretched resolution in CS2. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to open up NVIDIA Control Panel. Show more options in Video Control Panel here. Wait for a couple of seconds. Then, you need to select Adjust Desktop Size and Position here, or Adjust Desktop, Change Resolution. Then, you need to customize. Make sure this option is enabled. Create Custom Resolution. And then here, make it 720 by 1080 and press Test and OK and Apply. I will not do this because a recording will stretch out and it will be unpleasant to watch. But when you have everything set up, then you should see Custom Resolution here. Press OK, and then on this option here should be under the resolution here. So you just need to apply it. Then you need to go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position here, and then you need to make sure it's full screen. If these options is grayed out for you, what you need to do here is to manage 3D settings, image scaling, and make sure image scaling is off. And if you want that particular resolution will appear on in-game itself, what you need to do here is to go to Device Manager and then go to your monitor. And then you just need to disable device here. And after that, you just need to launch the game and change to stretch resolution.